Are you 6 months old today, Sophia? 6 months old? You are? I'm so happy for you. Are you happy? What are you doing down there? You're going to be such a big girl. You're so smart. Come on. Sophia, you want out of that seat? You want out of the seat? You do. Come on. Come on. Say hello. Say hi. Say hi, everybody. Say I'm 6 months old today. And I can sit up by myself. Here, sit down. Sit down. Sophia, say hi. You got it? You got it? Okay. Sophia. So eyes are big now. Yay! Her sit up all by herself. All by herself. Hi. You want your Pepe? Show how you hold your Pepe all by yourself. Here, let's lay back. Lay back. Come here. Broop. Here. Take your Pepe. Oh, yeah. It's a big baby now. It's a big baby now. We're getting so big. So big. So big. Say hi. Say hi. Where's your Passy? Did you lose your Pepe? Huh? I mean your binky? Oh, here it is. Here, give me this. Look. Here you go. Here you go. Put in your mouth. Here. Here. Come on. Put in your mouth. What are you doing with it? You put it in the mouth. Go ahead. You, my dear, are rotten. Say bye. Sophia. Hey. Sophie. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Can you say bye-bye? Say bye. Give kisses. Give beso.